our district has been really great about focusing on the SAMR model. And part of some of the newer teachers to BenQ, as these new boards are being implemented into classrooms, are more tech nervous teachers. They're getting a little apprehensive about what is this new equipment. And it's been really fun to kind of walk alongside of them and just show them how you can use it at a substitution level, and that at that basic level, we can just use it as a substitution for that overhead projector that they have grown to love so very much. But then our hope is then, as they start to get more and more comfortable, maybe we can move that up into that augmentation and up to modification. And then at some point redefining, what does that look like? What does learning look like in our classroom spaces? What can we change about how our classroom is set up? We don't have to have a traditional front end of the room. What does that look like to have people moving around and changing what that instructional piece looks like?